Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to link Twitter on Temu app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. So first of all, open up browser and search for temu.com and go to the first link, because there is no option on Temu app for linking to Twitter. So you need to go to browser and open up your Temu account. So here, request for desktop site, so that you cannot navigate to the Temu app. Once you are done, tap on profile as shown here. Now here, go to account security. It will navigate you to this interface here. Now you can see that you can easily link your Twitter. Simply tap on link button and it will navigate you to this interface. So here you need to tap on authorize app. Now you can see that you have linked to Twitter account on Temu, because I have already signed in my Twitter account. So for you, it may ask you to sign in your Twitter account. So you can sign in it and link it. So this is how you can link Twitter on Temu app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.